Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts, to another enlightening session where we uncover the intricacies of the crypto world. If you've been hearing the buzzword staking and wondering what it truly means, today's your lucky day. We're about to deep dive into the dual interpretations of staking and what it means for your crypto journey. Initially, staking was introduced as part of the proof-of-stake networks, with Peercoin pioneering the concept in 2012. Here, individuals or validators lock a certain number of tokens to bolster the security of a network's blockchain. The essence of this approach is that the more individuals participate, the harder it becomes for any malicious entity to compromise the network. Stakeholders, in return, get a staking yield, making it beneficial for them to maintain the network's integrity. To illustrate, Ethereum allows multiple staking methods, from running a validator node with 32 ETH to using platforms like Lido or Rocket Pool, which offer liquid staking. But the core principle remains consistent. Your staked crypto enhances network security. Conversely, a newer interpretation of staking resembles more of a loyalty or membership scheme. Users lock tokens to reap various benefits, such as increased yields, governance participation, or amplified voting power. Although this incentivizes certain behaviors, it sometimes dilutes the genuine meaning of staking. A notable critique on this has been penned by the crypto Twitter influencer Kobe in his piece ApeCoin and the Death of Staking. But where does the money come from? With traditional staking in proof-of-stake networks, participants are rewarded with newly created crypto, known as inflation through staking rewards. Think of it as a budget allocated for fortifying chain security. Several DeFi projects extend similar inflationary rewards via liquidity mining incentives, directly impacting a project's tokenomics. While some of these initiatives make strategic sense, others appear more dubious, with no apparent value add. When staking rewards are solely dispensed to prevent selling without furthering protocol development, it echoes characteristics of Ponzi schemes. Such practices might distort a token's genuine demand. For those keen to dive deeper into authentic incentives in the crypto space, we've covered the emergence of genuine yield in another segment. Dive in to gain more insights. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this deep dive insightful, hit that subscribe button for more content demystifying the crypto realm.